Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today we're diving into 7 Spotify settings you need to change now, showing you how to get the best audio experience and optimize your app for streaming. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Adjust streaming and download quality. Changing your audio quality ensures you get the clearest, most detailed sound while streaming or downloading songs, making your listening experience much better. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account options. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu to open all app settings. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Media Quality or Audio Quality. Step 5. Under Streaming Options, select Very High for both Wi-Fi and cellular streaming to enjoy premium sound quality. Step 6. Adjust the download quality to Very High as well, so downloaded songs sound just as crisp. Number 2. Turn off Autoplay. Feature. Disabling Autoplay stops Spotify from automatically playing similar songs after your playlist or album ends, giving you full control over what you listen to next. This helps prevent unwanted tracks from interrupting your music flow. Let's do it. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access account options. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu to open your app settings. Step 4. Scroll down to the playback section where all playback options are listed. Step 5. Find Autoplay or similar content and switch the toggle to the off gray position to disable automatic playback. Number 3. Adjust Normalize volume setting. Enabling or disabling. Normalize volume helps keep all your songs at a consistent volume, preventing sudden loud or quiet tracks from disrupting your listening experience. This ensures smoother playback across playlists. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top right to open the menu. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy to access the full settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the playback section and tap on it. Step 5. Find the Normalize volume option and toggle the switch to turn it on or off, depending on your preference. Number 4. Clear your cache. Regularly, clearing your cache frees up storage space and helps Spotify run more smoothly, preventing app slowdowns or playback issues. This keeps your app optimized and responsive. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Spotify app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu to access the app settings. Step 3. Scroll down to the Data Saving and Offline section. Step 4. Find the Storage section to view your cache data. Step 5. Under Clear Cache, tap on Clear and confirm your action to remove unnecessary files and improve performance. Number 5. Disable targeted ads and data. Turning off personalized ads prevents Spotify from using your data to show tailored advertisements, protecting your privacy and giving you a less intrusive listening experience. Let's do it. Step 1. Log into your Spotify account using a web browser, not the desktop or mobile app. Step 2. Go to your account page to access all account settings. Step 3. Tap on Account Privacy to manage your data preferences. Step 4. Scroll down and in the Tailored Ads section, turn off the toggle for Process My Personal Data for tailored ads. Step 5. Optionally, disable Process My Facebook Data to prevent Spotify from using your Facebook information for ad targeting. Number 6. Manage offline downloads. Storage. Regularly managing your offline downloads helps free up device space and ensures Spotify runs smoothly, preventing storage issues and keeping your music library organized. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top of the screen to access account options. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Tap Data Saving and Offline and scroll down to the Storage section. Step 5. Find Remove All Downloads and tap Remove to delete saved content and free up space. Number 7. Enable Crossfade and Automix. Using Crossfade and Automix creates seamless transitions between songs, giving your playlists a smooth, DJ-style listening experience. This enhances playback and keeps the music flowing naturally. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to access account settings. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy by tapping the gear icon. Step 4. Scroll down and tap playback to access playback options. Step 5. Find the crossfade option and drag the slider to set your preferred overlap length between songs. Step 6. To enable DJ-style transitions on certain playlists, activate automix within the same playback settings section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more tips.